And back in 2000, the organization began a program called its Honor Roll for Coverage Award. And that program was designed to look around the country and see programs that were happening, incubators of success, if you will, where programs were finding ways, whether they were private programs, public-private partnerships, you name it, where people and organizations were doing great things at the community level to help working families access affordable and quality health care coverage. So back in 2000, we created this Honor Roll for Coverage Award. We've given out 12 awards over the last 9 years. I'm very pleased to be here tonight to present the next Honor Roll for Coverage Award to the Montana Chamber Choices Program and to Webb Brown. So Webb, will you please come on up?
Thank you, Larry. I appreciate it a great deal. And again, recognition of the time. Just want to have Chelsea Fagan Colpin come forward, if she would too, for the work that she's done. We are delighted to accept this award. We didn't expect that we would receive something of this nature, and thank you and all of your group as well. We are very humbly proud of what we've accomplished with Montana Chamber Choices. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, I guess, coming on now, when we started with nothing. Blue Cross took a chance on us. Thank you, Sherry, and all of your crew for doing that as well, to believing in us and that we could make a difference with small businesses in the state of Montana. We had three main principles when we started out. One was to provide a membership benefit for our members, and we've certainly succeeded in doing that, as you hear, gaining members all the time, in part because of this. The second goal was basically try and maintain at least a gradual increase in premiums as best we could. And over the past 6 years, we're happy to report that we have maintained a single-digit increase on average over those 6 years. Montana Chamber itself, our health insurance program, before we started Chamber Choices, we saw a 39% increase from 1 year to the next. We know what it's like to get hit with that and to try and recover, compensate for that. Fortunately, the board decided to bite the bullet, maintain the coverage that we had, and take the 39% increase. We were able to do that. A lot of other folks can't. Our third goal when we started was to try and do something about the number of uninsured in the state. And that has become by far and away, I think, our greatest success story. When you hear 16,000 lives that were covered now, children, families, dependents, employees, employers themselves who did not have coverage before, we could not do anything better, I think, for the state of Montana and for its people than providing that kind of protection and security. Above and beyond, we continue to add new benefits. I think one of the best things we did recently was adding a life insurance benefit, a base life, to cover folks when that unfortunate circumstance happens. And unfortunately, in Montana Chamber Choices case, we've already paid out 3 benefits, but it's nice to be able to say we're trying to help you in a time of need. And so it's a great program. Doug Graham with AMI, the group that merged with us a year ago to get us to this level, basically a mirror image of Chamber Choices. Thank you for believing in Chamber Choices and joining us in this effort as we go forward. The person I would most wish were here tonight is the person who I consider kind of the godfather of Chamber Choices, who said during his year as chair, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a chance. We're going to put our money as a chamber into it. I'm going to put my money into it as the CEO of First Interstate Bank System. So, Lyle Knight, this is for you.